Postcards by Kate Fletcher. Today I need to make a mail make. I need a card for my husband's friend for his birthday, and I don't know about anybody else, but I find mail makes can be quite challenging. So I thought I would do a little video on what I'm doing in case it can be of any help to anybody else. So this person likes music, likes Eurovision, so I thought I would use my Papercraft Society box from Olga. I think this was like box 8 or so, but I can't be sure, but it was very musical, so I thought I would use this. I haven't actually done anything with this since it dropped through the door, I don't think, so I really need to, and I thought this would be a great way to do that. So I'd like to try and incorporate these confetti sequins. They had the musical notes, I don't know if you can see, in them. I'm just going to grab everything out and flick through it just to kind of reacquaint myself with the box, because I really don't know what I want to do yet. I'm thinking possibly a shaker card, but I'm not sure. That's embossing powder. I don't think I want to do embossing. Let's see what else. See what's in here and if there's anything I can use. We've got the gold mirror card. Oh, that's right. We had this beautiful vellum with the notes, and we had, let me just put it on this. We had that one. And that one, yeah, I really liked that vellum. Okay, let's put that in the possibly to be used pile. Just dropped everything on the floor. I'm not going to use florals, so I'll discard those. What else do we have? I'm going to put this gold mirror card in the possibly to be used pile as well. I do quite like that, but it looks like I've dropped my coffee all over it. So, don't know about using that. I'll put it in the maybe pile. I do like that. That may well get used. Hamlet. Don't have to use the Hamlet bit. We'll see. Don't think I want to use that. What else? Okay, so I could use these stamps. That's quite a good sentiment. I might use those. What else? Don't need the florals. That's quite cool. I don't want the big guitar. And I don't think I want to use the embossing folder this time. So, okay. Let's have a think about what I can do. So what I'm loosely now thinking is I could actually use this. I could cut this die and then put one of the nice vellums underneath it or over it, so I could cut maybe that in the vellum as well, or just, no, okay, cut that die, cut the vellum a bit bigger and lay it underneath it so you can see, and then I could use these maybe dotted around the card. Maybe something with this die as well. I don't know. I'm going to do it on a 6x6 card blank, I think. So what I'll do is I will put the video on high speed. Any die cutting I will do slightly off camera because the table shakes too much. But I'll kind of show you everything I'm doing. And yeah, we'll see what happens. But I will put it on high speed just to try and make the video a little bit shorter for you. So there we have it. Not at all what I set out to create, because I started off saying shaker card, but I actually really like it. This musical wave thing here, these bits in the middle are supposed to press out, but when I started doing it here it was ripping on the gold card, so I decided to leave it intact. I don't think it looks awful. I like how the gold contrasts with the black and the coffee stain, so I think it's come out really nicely. And it's going to be nice and easy to post this as well, because we have got to post this one and it's not as chunky as a shaker. So all in all, very happy with how this has come out. So I hope you have enjoyed watching the video. What do you think of the card? Do you like it? Would you change anything? Let me know in comments. But thanks so much for watching today. I hope you're all well. Take care and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.